Hello and welcome to our in-depth exploration of the key principles governing IT service management with a special focus on ISO 20000-1. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the foundational principles that drive organizations towards delivering exceptional IT services and achieving excellence in IT service management. ISO 20000-1 serves as a beacon guiding organizations in establishing, implementing, and continually improving their IT service management systems. This international standard sets forth a structured framework aimed at effectively managing IT services, processes, and resources to meet the ever-evolving needs and expectations of customers and stakeholders alike. Customer focus. At the heart of IT service management lies a relentless dedication to customer satisfaction. The first key principle outlined in ISO 20000-1 underscores the paramount importance of aligning IT services with customer needs and expectations. By prioritizing customer focus, organizations can pave the way for enduring relationships and sustained success in IT service management. Leadership commitment. Guiding the ship of IT service management is the unwavering commitment of leadership. The second key principle emphasizes the pivotal role of top management in charting the course towards excellence. Through steadfast leadership, organizations can instill a culture of accountability, drive, and innovation, propelling them towards their IT service management goals. Engagement of people. In the dynamic realm of IT service management, the collective efforts of a dedicated workforce are indispensable. The third key principle underscores the significance of engaging employees at all levels. By fostering a culture of collaboration and empowerment, organizations can harness the full potential of their people, igniting a spark of innovation and driving continual improvement. Process approach. A structured approach is the cornerstone of effective IT service management. The fourth key principle advocates for adopting a systematic approach to managing IT service through well-defined processes. By viewing service management as a cohesive system of the interconnected processes, organizations can enhance efficiency, consistency, and overall performance. Continual improvement. In the quest of excellence, stagnation is not an option. The fifth key principle champions the pursuit of continual improvement in IT service management. By embracing a culture of learning, reflection, and adaptation, organizations can stay agile and responsive, ensuring that their IT services evolve in tandem with the ever-changing landscape of technology and customer needs. In conclusion, the principle embedded with ISO 20000-1 serve as guiding stars, illuminating the path towards its service management excellence. By embracing customer focus, demonstrating leadership commitment, engaging people, adopting a process approach, and pursuing continual improvement, organizations can navigate the complexities of IT service management with confidence and purpose. Thank you for joining us today, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.